So I've been seeing a lot of noise about this ADS STE 100 standard, the Simplified Technical English. Folks have discovered that it's a great standard to use when calibrating a large language model for like technical writing and writing in the sciences. So I figured, honestly, this would be a great opportunity to show you how I use Gadget to publish an article to the website. We'll head over to Gadget Agent, and I've already got a bookmark for this, so we're just going to open that up. But you can see I've got my annotation here, and it's the actual standards website. So I have that bookmark. I also have a document that I went through with Gadget earlier today and produced a summary of that. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch to Gadget Heavy. We're going to create a new chat. And I'm actually just going to close that down so that you can focus on what's happening here. We're going to open this up, set skill. This will be blog article heavy duty. And for the prompt, I'm just going to say, I've been seeing a lot of discussion recently about ADS STE 100. Simplified Technical English. People are discovering it's a great standard to apply when calibrating a large language model for success when writing technical and scientific documents, when generating instead of writing. All right. We have a bookmark and document presenting information and some research we did into the topic earlier. Use web search to locate some online discussion we can quote and cite in our article. Draft an article on the main site. No added framing. Presenting this finding and some suggestions for integrating it into some suggestions the reader can use and follow for integrating the standard into their Gadget Agent and Gadget code workflows. There we go. Right, so that's pretty much what I type, and I've got a skill configured, right, that we're going to use. And we're actually going to drop this down one notch to semi-serious. There we go. So it's fast. It's very fast. All at once, it's basically doing web searches, searching the knowledge base, looking up the bookmarks, looking up the user document, then fetching a couple of URLs, 3 of them, reading a user document, reading a bookmark. Now it's doing some thinking. It is immediately starting to look for the publisher destination, which is going to be the main site. I don't know if it was, let's see what it's doing in the bookmarks here. Are we reading? Yeah, it read a specific bookmark, so I have all the research and resources I need. Let me now draft the article as a user document first, which is what the skill calls for. That way we can discuss it without it having to go read from publisher in the future. And there you go. That is how long it takes Gadget to go through and draft an article for me based on a topic that I discovered on Twitter. So now if we hop over to the Gadget blog, right here is that article, and we can embiggen this, and this is how they turn out. I'll let you use pause to read that. So what happens from here is I'm going to go through, read this, humanize it. I'm probably going to add some images that I will generate, also using Gadget. New feature, by the way. If we go into images here, let me squish chat back down and we can close that out. Earlier today, I was asking Gadget to, basically describe itself visually, and so it wrote the prompts and, title, description, tags, all that, and generated this image of itself. So we now have an image generator that there's actually support for 38 models in here. So you pick your model, you pick your options, you set up your prompt, and you can get images with generation history and all that good stuff. So it's a nice workspace for working on images. So yeah, I'm probably going to go through, add some images to this, humanize it, give it the once over, and then there you go. I have saved that much time in the generation of an article that will be very on topic, very relevant for today, and it makes it relevant, like discussing Gadget and how you can integrate this in your Gadget workflow. So there you go. That is just a quick demonstration of using Gadget to get some actual work done in a day. Cheers.